Hello everyone, welcome back with me, Benifer Eric de la Rosa Sibagariang, study program Correctional Engineering Class A. In this time, I will explain about pronouns. Pronouns is very important part of speech because pronouns are usually used to replace nouns at the second mention and so on. The following will explain the meaning, types, example, and the functions of pronouns. Example, Cook is my classmate. He appears to the most handsome in the class. So many girls like him. Cook in the sentence as noun. In the first sentence, is replaced with he and him in the next sentence. So they are called pronouns. This pronoun is used to avoid the repetition a noun in a sentence. The kind of pronoun. The first, personal pronouns. In Indonesia, kata ganti orang. Personal pronouns are words that are used to replace people or things. These personal pronouns are further different based on their behavior as objects and subjects. There are several personal pronouns as subject, namely I, you, we, they, he, she, it. Meanwhile, personal pronouns as object can be described as follows: me, you, him, her, it, us, them. Possessive pronouns in Indonesia kata ganti milik are words used to express possession that can stand alone. Possessive pronouns are not followed by the presence of a noun. For example, mine, your, his, hers, its, ours, theirs. Reflexive pronouns are words that are used to express something that has a reciprocal relation. In the use reflexive pronouns, it is usually more to express an action that is not realized or a reflex movement. Several forms are included in the reflexive pronouns, namely myself, yourself, himself, herself, itself, ourself, themselves. Demonstrative pronouns in Indonesia kata ganti petunjuk are words that are used to point out something. There are several forms of pronouns that are included in this type of demonstrative pronoun, namely this, this, that, and those. This, or Indonesia ini, this is used to point out the singular noun that is near to us. For example, this is a nice book. This song is good. Next, this. This is used to point out the plural noun that is near to us. Example, these are new books. These are nice bags. Next, that. That is used to point out the singular noun that is far to us. For this example, that is my old friend. That is Ida's husband. Those. Those are used to design plural nouns that are far from us. Those is used to point out the plural nouns that are far to us. For the example, those are my old friends. Those are Eden's teachers. The next are words that are used to ask or ask question. Interrogative interrogative pronouns. The kinds of interrogative pronouns is who, what, which, when, where, whose, whom, why, and how. Who is a word that is used to ask a person. For example, who is it? What is a word that is used to ask for a thing. Example, what do you want? Which is the word that is used to ask a choice. Example, which one is your sister? When is the word that is used to ask the time. Example, when did you come? Where is a word that is used to ask the place. For example, where do you live? Whose is the word that is used to ask a possession. For example, whose house is it? Whom is a word that is used to ask a person as an object. Example, whom did you go with? Why is the word that is used to ask the reason. Why is she so unhappy? How is word used to ask how or process for a thing. For example, how do you feel? Next, relative pronouns. In Indonesia, kata ganti penghubung. Relative pronouns are words commonly used in clauses and adjective. Therefore, it is located between the phrases because it acts as a connector. Some of the forms include in this type of relative pronoun are that, who, whom, whose, and which. To better understand, let's see the following explanation. That is a word that is used to replace a person or thing. Who is the word used for asking a person. Whom is a word that is used to replace a person as an object. Whose is a word that is used for a person to show a position. The next, reciprocal pronouns. Reciprocal pronouns that are used in condition when two or more subjects perform the same action against each other. This pronoun consists of each other and one another. Reciprocal pronouns is sentences function as objects of verbs or objects of preposition. Reciprocal pronouns are not used as the subject of a sentence. For example, we serve each other appetizer. We serve an appetizer with each one. Use each one. Indirect object. Good friends should trust one another. Good friends should trust each other. Next, indefinite pronouns. In Indonesia, kata ganti tak tentu. The kind of indefinite pronouns is one, anybody, anything, anyone, everybody, everyone, everything, none, nobody, nothing, someone, somebody, something. Next, definite pronoun. Definite pronoun is used to replace a noun that is already mentioned. Definite pronoun refers to a specific person or things. For instance, I, me, mine, myself, she, her, hers, herself, we, us, and etc. For example, I will go out today. Second, Sarah took my pen yesterday. Third, We are learning English. Or she is going out for a dinner date today. E. That red shirt which my brother wore yesterday is mine. 9. Reciprocal pronouns are pronouns that are used in conditions where two or more subjects perform in the same action. For example, we serve each other appreciates. Indirect subject, good friends should trust one another. Okay, I think until here my explanation about pronoun. I hope you all can understand it. In the end, thank you very much for your attention. See you.